Hello, hi lovelies, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Jay. If you're an OG lovely, hi sweetheart, welcome. I know I look crusty, just let's leave it. I am currently crocheting a Valentine's top. I want to crochet two different ones, and then I want to use red, I want to use pink. So I just thought, let me pick up my camera and actually record this. I've never done this before. Last year around this time I was not crocheting. So yeah, so with the first one I just decided to do cups. I've done the first one already. So I decided to do cups like this with a bit of red detailing, but black for the most part because I don't have a lot of red yarn. So I'm playing yarn chicken here. I'm going to crochet the hearts top. I'm currently following a tutorial. Okay, I haven't started following the tutorial. I just did cups for now, but then the tutorial I'm going to use is by is this one here. It is by Shyla Crochet. So yeah, it's a hearts top. I'll put it on the screen because I think I saw it on Pinterest as well. So I'll just put it on the screen. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and let us crochet.
Because crocheting is a hobby, right? So let's open this up and you guys can see what I have in here because I'm so excited to experiment with different yarns and feel different yarns.
Honestly guys, I just felt like yapping, so I'm just going to yap. I am currently slip stitching into the strap of the top to give it this look, whereas if I had done single crochet it would have been thicker, so I decided to go with slip stitching. I just wanted to talk about my goals this year for crocheting. I honestly want to crochet more projects. Last year is the year I learned how to crochet. I would say that I've been crocheting for 7 months now, 7-8 months I think, and I've honestly been loving it. I love how relaxing it is. I love how rewarding it is when you finish a project. So yeah, I want to crochet a lot of projects. I definitely want to crochet the star blanket before winter, before we get to winter or during winter, because crocheting in summer, damn, the weather, it'll have you sweating. So yeah, that is kind of like my plan. Insomnia has me by the neck, guys. Please let me know what works for you guys. I have been trying to sleep early, but I just end up sleeping around 4 a.m., 5 a.m. And then I'm tired of it. Around 4 p.m. I'm craving for coffee. What does that even mean? What is that about? Anywho, I think I'm just gonna crochet for a while and I will come back to you guys when I've made a bit of progress on this top. I'm just watching something on YouTube, a crochet video, obviously. Crocheting while watching crochet videos. Yeah. So yeah, that is what I'm currently doing. I'll talk to you guys a bit later, okay? Hopefully I would have made progress on this top, because the truth is, because of not sleeping, I just want to sleep. That's the honest truth. My body wants me to sleep. So yeah, I'm just gonna stay hydrated and crochet. Yeah, talk to you guys later. At this point, guys, I am seriously playing yarn chicken because this is the only yarn I have left, and this is the first bunch of hearts that I'm seeing. The pattern is coming to life. This is so beautiful. This is what's beautiful about crocheting, guys, or about fiber arts, seeing whatever you're doing coming to life. But yeah, this is how it's looking and I love it. I'm low-key thinking of adding red to the bottom. I don't know what you guys think of it, but I'm thinking of it. I don't know, is it going to make sense? Half black, half red. For the next few rounds that I'm going to do, maybe I should do red. I don't know what to do, but yeah, I'm happy. And this is the only black I have left. I have a bit of red there. Actually, I have a bow of red there as well, but I don't know if these reds match. We'll check that out in a few. But for now, I'm loving how this is turning out, yo. I am really in love. Oh my days. Okay, so chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then into that same stitch put a double, no, not a double, semi double, and then another one, put through 2. But yeah, this is how it's looking. Come in. I told you to leave an ant. I told you to leave an ant.
Oh my God! Wow!
Look at my Valentine, baby. Look at my Valentine. Can you see the hearts? Hello, hi girls, girlies. I hope you guys are okay. It is currently 20:38 and I've bathed, finished making this girl, weaved in all ends. I am so happy with how this turned out, and yeah, I'm going to be styling it for a TikTok video tomorrow. But I just thought before I sleep today I should start on the other one. I'm going to be using the tutorial by Cameron Kane on YouTube. I'll put everything in the description box. If you want to make it, then you can make it for yourself. And yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that. Otherwise, that is how I'm going to be spending my night. Perfect. My Wi-Fi is acting up today. I don't know if I'll be able to watch something on YouTube or what, but we'll see. But yeah, let me get the foundation of the top done first, then I'll come back to you guys. Okay, you guys, the way this tutorial is complicated, I almost gave up from watching the first the first 2 minutes of the video, because what exactly is happening? But this year I'm challenging myself to do even stuff that I think I can't do, because I mean, I can do anything that I put my mind to, right?
That's right, I said it. Somebody's gotta say it! Somebody's gotta say it!
It's okay. It's just fine like this. I think it should. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hi guys, it is the next day and I decided to go work in a cafe today. I'm just gonna go to McDonald's because it's the closest to me. This is my outfit of the day. I am wearing this top from Shein skirt. It was a gift from my best friend, and I'm wearing these shoes that I got from Food Gear, and then I'm wearing this scrunchie that I made myself, and then yeah, that's how I'm looking. Let us go. And I'm carrying this bag. It's a tote bag that I got from Legit. It is so full. It is so full. I don't know if I'll even be able to do everything I want to do there, because this is so full. Anyway, let us go, guys. There's a bit of progress showing to you. I think I'm going to go in for like 2, 3 more. 14, 33. I think I'll have to go at 3, 4. I'm thinking 4 because I really enjoyed this. I'll definitely come back again. This exact same.
I've been thinking about myself today, thinking how I changed, how I really don't.
Let's say hi. Here's how this one turned out, guys. I am happy. Please don't mind the love handles. This is the back. I just, yeah, this is the back and this is the front of the top. I actually really love this as an outfit. This would make sense, right? Hi guys, it's a bit later on at night. It is currently 6 minutes past 8, and I'm starting on a new top in this pink color. This yarn is called Tiger. The yarn is called Charity Double Knit, and then the color is Tiger Series. And I love, if you know me, you know I'm crazy about pink these days. I'll put the top that I'm making on the screen. I don't have a tutorial for it. I'm just going to wing it and just make it whichever way I like. And yeah, I'll catch you guys a bit later. I'm just going to do the cups for now. I think I wanna skip the rope a bit. I'm thinking of it, and then I wanna go take a bath after that. So I'll catch you guys when I'm a bit more relaxed. Probably I'll be in a different position. I feel like you guys have been seeing me in the same position for the past 20 years. So yeah, we'll talk now. Just wanted to give you guys an update. And did you see how great the red one turned out? Love it, Kissan. I think I'm going to make this one pink and red. Yeah, pink and red. See you.
A few hours later.
I want to have a little bit of color in my life before I go out. Yes, that's just the reason why. So let's work on this order. I feel like in an hour I can get a lot done, especially if I lock in. I'm gonna lock in, we're not gonna be distracted. We don't even have TikTok to distract us anymore. So maybe as well, just to give you a little glimpse of where you know, there's one in Delray and one in Miami going south. All right, so let's just get started.
Hi guys, it is currently what time? Almost 12. I know it is currently 23:46, and this is how much I've gotten done. Just one strap, and then I slip stitched into the strap. And yeah, I'm going to continue tomorrow. I couldn't quite figure out which stitch they used for the, what is this called, the edge of the bra cup, but I think this should work. I think this should be fine. If it doesn't look the same, please guys, don't come for me. But I'm going to go to sleep because I need to wake up and go for a walk tomorrow in the morning around 7. So I'm going to sleep, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning guys, it is the next day, the third day of this vlog. If you're still here, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your family and friends. I would really appreciate that. It is currently 10:30 a.m. Yeah, I know, I've bathed. I went on a walk this morning and I feel really good. I've made 2 tops already, and I am currently in the process of making the second one. I have started just that I forgot my safety pin, so I couldn't continue with this, but yeah, I started. So we're going to work on that today, and then we're going to start another one. How many do you think I'll make? Comment down below how many tops you think I'll actually make. I made myself an iced coffee. I'm just going to have that while I crochet because I'm feeling very sleepy. I am usually waking up at this time. I did 6,000 steps today. All right, come at me. All right. Okay guys, seriously. Yeah, anyway, let us work, and then yeah, I'll catch you guys when I'm a bit further into this project. And yeah, today is supposed to be the 5th day of the vlog. I didn't vlog yesterday because I did not do any crocheting whatsoever. Yesterday I just cleaned the house, cleaned my room, and just put everything in order. So I didn't have time. To be honest, I didn't want to crochet. You know, you just have those days. I was just going through something, so I didn't want to crochet. But we got a bit of crocheting done today. Let me show it to you. I went somewhere and got a bit of crocheting done. This is my progress. I don't know why it's doing it, but this is my progress. This is going to be a bandana top. The tutorial that I'm using is by Cameron Kane. Today is a Friday and the vlog is supposed to end on Sunday, and we'll see how that goes. But for now, I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. If I end up crocheting this today at night or whatever, I will definitely show you guys what I do. It is currently 3 minutes to 5 to 6. 3 minutes to 6. This watch is actually wrong. It's actually 3 minutes to 6, and can I ask you to lo jarako ndiani?
Understand, like I'm just a boy.
But what every month after all you want? Guys, today is the 7th day of the vlog. I am supposed to use Sunday to actually crochet and maybe possibly make another top, but I'm not feeling it, and I know I'm not going to crochet today. I just want to take a break. So all in all, in 7 days we managed to make 4 tops. And yeah, I still have to weave in the ends on this one because I finished making it yesterday at night, but otherwise we managed to make 4 tops. So I'm going to try them on for you guys. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comment section. The first top I made is this one. I'll put like I said at the beginning of the video, I'll put the patterns and the tutorials in the description box, so if you want to make it yourself then you can make it. But this is how this one turned out, and I really loved it. It actually inspired me to make the other ones. And this is how the bag looks. I obviously didn't tie it properly because I was doing it on my own, but yeah, you just put it in the holes here at the back, and yeah. Do you like it? Comment. Top that I made. I'm not sure how to feel about it. I feel like I'm going to singe it in the middle like I did with the red one. This one. This whatever this is called. I think I'm gonna do that with it. But I actually like it. I like the color combo. I like how it turned out. And yeah. This is the last top that I made yesterday. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and tune in for more content. I love and appreciate you guys. See you in the next one.